So I've been kindly given a ESi Magnetic Brass Filter to try, so I'm going to give that a whirl today. Not unboxed it yet to look, so I thought I'd save it. So let's have a look in it. Right, okay. Comes already pre-assembled. In the shirt it looks like very much like a Fairnox. I'll try my filter adapter on that. Valves, they seem easy to turn. Doesn't seem to be a slip socket or anything in there, so a new install might be better than an upgrade. Yeah, it's got the key on the bottom for the drain off. Magnets in the top. We'll give it a whirl, get it fitted and see what we think.